bases that, and it's tough to, we also get surprised. So I hope that answers.
डब्बू जी, मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि कौन कौन से पैरामीटर्स होते हैं, और आपने एक बहुत ज़रूरी बात कही कि फोटोग्राफर से एक अलग नज़र से देखते हैं जब भी आप सेलिब्रिटीज़ की फ़ोटो लेते हैं, कौन कौन सी चीज बारीकियां आप देखते हैं उस फोटो को लेने में?
जब हम फोटो लेते हैं, पहली बात तो जब फोटोशूट प्लान होता है, वी टेल द मॉडल के क्या कॉन्सेप्ट है, क्या किस तरह से उनका क्या पोज करने वाले हैं, क्या कॉन्सेप्ट, क्या कपड़े होने वाले हैं, फिर उसके हिसाब से वी प्लान द होल शूट, और उसके ऊपर मैं जज करता हूँ कि किस तरह से उन्होंने इंस्ट्रक्शंस लिया, किस तरह से परफॉर्म किया, एंड फाइनली हु लुक्ड बेस्ट इन द पिक्चर्स। फोटोज देखने के बाद ही फाइनली एक्चुअली थ्रू द लेंस हमको मालूम पड़ जाता है हु इज काइंड ऑफ परफॉर्मिंग। कोई जो हम कोई ऐसी लड़कियां होती हैं जिसे हम इंस्ट्रक्शंस देते जाते हैं एंड दे स्टिल डू व्हाट इज इन देयर हेड, तो जब हमने ये शो स्टार्ट किया, जब फर्स्ट शूट में काफ़ी लड़कियों को मैं इंस्ट्रक्शंस दे रहा था, सम वर टेकिंग इट ब्यूटिफुली और सम बाकी लोगों को समझ में नहीं आ रहा था क्या करना है, तो वी वर ट्राइंग आवर बेस्ट। और सब टाइम बाउंड चैलेंजेस रहते हैं कि आपको इतने मिनट में ही फोटो शूट करना है, कि ऐसे नहीं है कि हम एक एक घंटा एक पर्सन का शूट कर रहे हैं। तो वो एबिलिटी के टू मैक्सिमाइज द टाइम, क्योंकि जब भी आप रियल वर्ल्ड में जाते हो फोटो शूट में, it is expected of you to give your best and understand what the photographer wants. तो उस तरीका से मैं देख रहा था कि who's giving it 100%, who's not listening, किस तरह से, तो वो माइंड में रखना पड़ता है कि जब भी हम फाइनल जजिंग करते हैं।
Hi, I'm Shreya from the Asian Age Deccan Chronicle. My question is for Mr. Akash and the rest of the panel. Can you please tell me, do you guys
Models.
So Mr. Garber and I have gone to the house many times to talk to them, see how they're doing. There's a lot of emotions that go on. You have to realize that when girls are living in a house together for a very long, extended amount of time, there will be, mood swings, drama, a little bit of here and there, whatever. But at the end of the day, like Akash said, when they come back onto the ramp, when they do their photo shoots and all of that, it cannot affect what they're doing. And if they let it affect it on their own during their performance, that's up to them. But what we do is we don't bring it into the panel, we don't bring it into the judging.
Another reason very important, हम लोगों का to go into the top model house नहीं चाहिए mentor के साथ साथ जिससे वो दिल खोल के अपनी बात कर सकें। तो अगर उनको कोई ऐसी परेशानी हो रही है जो वो अपने को कंटेस्टेंट्स के साथ नहीं शेयर कर सकते, एटलीस्ट हमारे साथ शेयर करके दे गेट एन ऑब्जेक्टिव व्यू ऑफ इट, सो दे कैन कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन देयर कॉम्पिटिशन, बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट दे आर हियर फॉर। दे आर हियर टू विन इंडियाज नेक्स्ट टॉप मॉडल।
It's also about how you survive the pressure,
One at a time, guys.
I don't know what to say. And then I think at the same time as well, it's very important for Dabu and I not to interact with them too much, because you do get emotionally attached to these girls and you do understand their stories and you start to get too into their lives. So that is where we cannot have that relationship with them, because sometimes your emotional desire to see one girl rise or to see someone else come out because they've come from a harder place, or you have an emotional connection with them, and that becomes very difficult. So I think for Dabu and I it was much more, we hear what goes on in the house, we understand the challenges they're going through, but we're not there to build a relationship with them until, of course, after the show.
Lisa.
But I also think that, like I said, there's a lot of pressure, and it's how they handle it, Are you a professional? Because when you leave the house and go into the real, for the fact that are you strong enough, And can you wipe your tears, get in front of the camera and work it,
So Lisa, which is the thing you enjoy most, like modeling or acting?
I think I enjoy both. I think these days acting gets big modeling jobs and magazine covers. So I think if you focus on acting, then everything else kind of falls into place.
Hi, my question is for Aditya.
Guys, this is the last question.
Just wanted to answer.
Country. MTV is very, very active on social media. I think when the show was announced, we had a lot of young girls from all across the country come in and talk to us. And from that, we actually drilled down and we came down to the final list of 13.
Thank you.
All right, so
say. Monya, can you come and say a few words? Because you were there. Come on, Monya. Come on, Monya. Come on, Monya. No, you've got to say it. Come on, Monya. She was the heart of this show, so she's coming down. I don't care.
Work like dogs. I think everybody worked really hard, and I think it is. It's real. It's a real show, guys. It's a real show.
Coming so much. I had fun. Thank you.
Watch the show, guys. Watch the show.